All right, we're through inspections. This is exciting time. We actually get to really rock and roll now. We got guys working on everything. Our new front doors going in today. They finished all the sheetrock. We're working on texture. We got our cabinets in. This is gonna be a beautiful white oak up here in the front. It's gonna match our vent hood. This will all be stained and then the cabinets will be painted. If you come over here, they got our butler's pantry built in. I'll let you pop in here. This glass door is gonna be sweet, so it'll let that natural light come through. Right now the bracket's a little busted. Jump in there and have a look at that. Our microwave will be built in there, tons of cabinet space, countertops, a little coffee nook, a lot of storage. This is the other thing that I was really excited about. The way it turned out, this utility room, mudroom, is just got so much space, tons of storage. We got all uppers and lowers here. This will all be countertops. We got our mudroom here, and then our washer and dryer will be right here. And then we popped in our half bath, of course, that a lot of these homes don't have. So you come out here, you can see a little bit of update on the patio. We got the bead board set up. We're gonna stain that to match the front. This turned out really nice. Greg's doing a great job. We've got new drains going in and getting rid of the old cast iron. This bonus area, we framed all this in, redid the roof line, and we got central air coming into this now instead of having a window unit, split unit kind of deal. Cool vaulted ceilings with candlelights. It's gonna be a great home office for somebody. Or, you know, mother-in-law's quarters, because it's got a great closet. We'll pop you guys back here in the bathrooms real quick just to give you a quick look. We got tile going in, bathtubs are all set, starting all the prep on the paint. This is the same tile that we're gonna use in the primary bathroom as well, but this space opened up nicely. All the vanities will be white oak, so they'll be stained. It's gonna look really nice with a little bit of wallpaper and some wall lights. Nothing to really see in the bedrooms. Here's the primary, good sized shower. We popped that window in to give us some light in here. Same tile, but it's gonna be a good space. So we'll put a glass enclosure right here. We got his and hers closets, and then same, we've got two his and hers vanities. They're gonna be white oak stained. It's gonna look really good with some mirrors and some wall lights. Let me show you guys the front elevation. We got the German schmear done and got our first coat of paint, and you can really see the contrast with the siding that we did over here in the front where we took down the old stone. This turned out, I think, really great. Just the contrast, that pop, I think it's looking really good. And you can see over here, redid this one as well. That's our window going into that butler's pantry. I think it really just increased that front elevation, and then we'll have two nice wall lights right there on each side. So guys, we're 30 days out. That's our target right during the election. We're super excited about that, but we're really excited to see how this thing goes. So we'll keep you guys posted. The next video you see will be the completed home, and then we'll do a cool little highlight reel of all the progression. See you guys.